Welcome back to our CASA RPL PPL tutorial series. In episode 7, we look at SIGMET interpretation and focus on three key questions. Where is the hazard? How high does it extend? And where is it moving? Let's make it clearer.
SIGMETs are warning messages that inform about significant weather hazards en route, as noted and reported by aircraft. They are issued by the relevant Meteorological Watch Office and cover the area of flight information regions. SIGMETs are generally valid for 4 hours. They may be issued independently or as a result of special air reports and advisory information. SIGMETs are issued in the event of significant weather phenomena such as thunderstorms, heavy hail, freezing rain, severe mountain waves, and heavy sand or dust storms. Additionally, severe turbulence and icing not associated with convective clouds should also be reported in SIGMETs. Furthermore, SIGMETs may provide information about the occurrence of tropical cyclones and volcanic ash clouds. However, to report these two phenomena, warnings of a slightly different format are issued. The information regarding the SIGMET message itself is followed by the description of the relevant weather phenomena. It starts with the name of the FIR for which the SIGMET is issued. In our example, in the EPWW FIR, severe icing caused by freezing rain is forecast to occur west of the line, designated by points with coordinates 53 degrees 25 minutes north, 14 degrees 15 minutes east, 51 degrees 45 minutes north, 16 degrees 5 minutes east, and 51 degrees 5 minutes north, 15 degrees east. According to our sample SIGMET message, the forecast phenomena mentioned before should be expected between the Earth's surface and flight level 30. Additionally, they will be moving northeast. No change in their intensity is forecast.